Exercise 33. Write a program that prints even numbers from 0 to a number specified by the user. Okay, so a number specified by the user and num equals enter end number. Okay, we can actually put here immediately +1 because, as I've said before, the range function stops at one number before the one specified. So it's supposed to print even numbers. So for num in range, and it's supposed to start at 0. 0 is a start, and num is the end. And in this case, we are printing only even numbers. So to achieve that, one way is simply to say that it's in steps of 2. Okay, so this is the syntax of the range function. So again, we simply print num. So if we try that, enter end number, if we say 12, then it prints 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, and that's it. See you in the next exercise. Sign up for Python lessons at ondevs.com. Thank you for watching.